Hello candidates, I hope you are doing great. So first of all, let me start introducing myself. My name is 𝐬𝐬𝐻. I am the founder of Learnomate Technologies and I have 10 plus years of experience with the IT industry. I already got an opportunity to work with the companies like Cognizant, Infosys, L&T Infotech, and there are many small companies I have already worked. We do provide the services related to the IT industry based on the latest technology to the customer located from the India as well as from the customer who are sitting out of the India also. I am going to talk about the step-by-step path that you need to follow to kickstart your journey into the IT industry. While working with this IT industry from more than 10 plus years, we got an opportunity to work with the multiple clients, multiple technologies. So I'm going to talk about how you can kickstart your journey into the IT industry. I will also help you to understand about the technologies like SQL, Linux and Oracle DBA also. Since we are providing a support to the many customer based on the database technologies, learning the database play a very important role. These technologies is not only for the people who know about the programming, as well as this is also important for the people who don't know about the programming. So this is going to be really helpful for the people, especially those people who are coming from non-programming skill set also. To know more about the Learnomate technologies, you can follow me on the LinkedIn, Instagram channel, and you can also follow us on the YouTube channel also. Right now we have 17,000 plus followers which are available on our YouTube channels, and we are really going forward to increase this count by your support also. If you have any question, queries, anything, please reach out to my team. My team is always there to help you out, and we will make sure that you will get the right guidance from us to start your journey with the IT industry. Thank you.